Everyone in this auditorium and all those watching or listening within Ghana and across the world will agree that the legacy of Professor Mills is defined by peace, humility, integrity, transparency, accountability, academic excellence, servant leadership, and the rest. And his tenure as third president of the Fourth Republic was anchored in the rule of law and ethical governance. It is good to remember what Professor Mills accomplished in the 3.5 years that God gave him to serve Ghana. Yet, remembering what he stood for compels us to ask a more searching question. What would have been the condition of Ghana today if President Mills had had the strength to complete his first term and most probably also serve the second term? Professor Mills served from January 7, 2007 and 9 until his death on July 24, 2012. He was buried at the Afia Park on August 10, 2012. After years of neglect, a number of Professor Mills' friends, admirers, loyalists appealed to President Oforiwaa to restore the Afia Park. This was done, and the completed facility was commissioned on July 24, 2022, on the 8th anniversary of his passing. Professor Mills established 2 universities, specialized universities, during his tenure: the University of Health and Allied Sciences in the Water region, the University for Health and Natural Resources in the Amanfo region. He also launched a program to re-equip science resource centers in all the districts in Ghana to strengthen the teaching and learning of science in the country. These were not cosmetic achievements. They were the early years of purposeful, integrity-led governance. Governance and the fight against corruption. One of the subjects Professor Mills and I discussed endlessly was corruption.